The energy that you bring into a room is more valuable than the broom you carry to clean it. If you are cleaning the entire house but still your mood is very messy, your home is going to feel heavy. Give it a thought. So, try and shift your energy. First, calm yourself down, have good thoughts, be peaceful, and then touch your home. Please remember that a calm woman can also make chaos feel manageable. Have you noticed how your home feels when your mood shifts? So it's like when you are not very peaceful within, you feel the entire house is so messy. And when your heart is peaceful, even the simple routines feel lighter. You know why? This is because your home is connected to your emotional energy. So instead of stressing yourself out and trying to clean the entire house, why not take small tasks like, one chair, one shelf, or something like that? So when you shift energy, you feel lighter and then your mood follows along with it. So in order to heal your home, you need to heal your heart. If you are a homemaker just like me, then please listen to this. Stop explaining yourself too much, especially at home. Stop justifying your emotions, stop justifying why you need rest, and stop justifying why you need space. An emotionally intelligent homemaker will always value her feelings. Please remember that your feelings are always valid. If you are a homemaker just like me and you feel tired for no reason, then I really want you to listen to this, because as homemakers, we do feel tired for no reason. But do you know why that happens? Because we pour into people who do not pour back. Yes, we put in our time, energy, and efforts into people who do not reciprocate in the same way. But listen, you are allowed to protect your energies. You are allowed to put up your boundaries intact, because understand that homemaking is not just about cooking and cleaning, it's about emotional protection as well during the day. So please surround yourself with people who really respect you and who have the same level of reciprocation. Every woman must try the soft woman routine at least once. It is so simple to follow. Wake up slowly, then sip warm water with both your hands. Tea and coffee is also all right. Then you need to move gently, not urgently. Later, you need to speak to yourself very softly and then to others. When you soften your energy, the home around you will also soften. Remember that softness has got great strength. And also remember, softness attracts miracles. If you're going through a healing process from an emotional hurt, then homemaking can seem heavier, because here you're carrying pain, self doubt, and fear, and also you are trying to maintain the functionality at home. Please realize that healing requires a lot of energy, it requires a lot of courage too. So try and consciously slow down your routines, choose simplicity, choose ease. Remember that you're not failing, you are recovering. And also remember that with each passing day, you're becoming stronger and softer. And also, you're trying to align yourself with the kind of home you really want to build.